Let's create a presentation with AI using Gamma. After signing up, you would come across this page where you have three different selections. We would select generate, which involves creating an output using a one-line prompt. So once we have that selected, since we would be creating a presentation, we already have the presentation selected. These are the other forms of creations or outputs that are supported: web page, document, social. And the cards is the number of slides we would have on our presentation. It is completely fine. Default is for resolution, and this is the language. So this is where we put our prompt. Currently, this is for a free account. So for a free account, we have 400 to 500 free credits. And for every time you generate a new presentation, it takes out of your credits. So for this tier, the number of characters is also limited. Currently, it's at 500 characters for this prompt. And if you try to type more, which I'm doing right now, you would see that only an extra character could be added. So that's something to note once adding prompts. The number of characters in your prompt is also limited. Now, after you've put in your prompt describing what you want, for our prompt is a presentation on AI and with extra details to make it more interesting. So we would click on generate outline. So once it's generating, we would see in real time how the outline is being generated. We would see all those coming out. So you would see that it sort of provides an easy way to come across or fill in the pages of each slide. And the number of cards is also, these are the details that will be on your slides, and we have 8 in total. You could definitely add more. This is for styles, customizing the styles, what you want. These are the ones that are showing in the preview. If you want more, we can select view more. And in doing so, there are different categories. We have dark. If you want dark theme, light, professional, colorful, and we could just select the dark one and look for something neutral. A simple one like this looks good. Once that is selected, we'll select theme. Now we have the style selected and the content, the amount of text. Do you want brief? Do you want medium? Do you want detailed? So medium is completely fine. So for the image sources for the slide, you have images, and the images that will be used on the slides, we have different sources currently. So currently for the AI one, and you would see if you're selecting the image, if you're selecting the AI images as the image source, there are different models available. These are the free ones available. Once you pay or use the subscribed account, these are the other advanced model available, and these are for pro users. These are the models available for pro. So these are the ones available for the free tier, and we would leave it as is, and we can generate an image. So it really saves you time and it's pretty fast. So once we select image, there are other image sources available. We have stock, web, AI images. So if you select web image, you'd see that it also provides an extra category. Do you want the free to use ones, free to use commercially? So these are things you should note while trying to generate that. So we could leave it as this, back to the AI image, use flux and select generate. So once generate is selected, we would see in real time how this is being generated and what exactly are the images that will come out of this. So these are the results of coming out. So it has some interactive cards showing you your result for the first time account creation. And these are the result of what came out. And this is some of the things you'd see. So this is the image that was generated by the AI models, and it looks pretty okay. The stuff looks pretty cool, and it looks pretty straightforward also. For a dark themed one, this is pretty straightforward and pretty straight. So this is your presentation. You could play around. So for this, it has a present mode. Once you select present and you click on your directional keys, you could see the image in terms of how you would be presenting it. So you would have it. So this is how it looks, and we could definitely go back, escape the present mode. Also, it allows the editing. You could definitely edit this one. So you see, you can edit with AI, you can edit the styling, or you can also delete this one. You could move around the cards itself. You could decide to move the cards. You could decide to change the image, ask AI to regenerate another image. So you could ask AI to upscale, vectorize. These are the free ones. These are the number of credits to take. But this is just to give you a quick walkthrough on what it takes to create a presentation, and that's pretty it. So you would see that it can come pretty handy. It can help you with like a quick template to get you started, and you can make edits on what you want. You can move things around, and that's going to save you time. That's pretty it for this video. Bye.